In this video, I will show you how to see unsent messages on Messenger on Android. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the most reliable way to ensure you don't miss out on unsent messages is through notifications. With notifications turned on, you'll get a little alert every time that somebody sends you a message. The messages text should also appear in that notification window, allowing you to read it without opening the Messenger app. However, if you swipe the notification away and the sender then deletes a message, you normally won't be able to get it back. Luckily, newer Android phones have a clever little trick that might help you, and it's called notification history. It's an optional feature you can toggle on or off via your device's settings, and here's what you're going to want to do. So first you want to come up to your settings, so in the search box go ahead and put settings and open up the settings app. Next what you want to do is come down and find the notifications option, which is down here, press onto that, and then what you want to do is press onto app notifications. From here, what you're going to want to do is search for Messenger. So you're just going to scroll through your apps until you find Messenger, and then go ahead and press onto Messenger. Now, what you want to do is toggle this to allow notifications and make sure you've got the 3 types of notifications selected. So from that moment on, what's going to happen is your phone is going to store all of your latest notifications, including messages sent via Messenger. So even if you do swipe an alert away, you can head to the notification history area to see it again. Now, unfortunately, this method is not going to make old messages appear. It only works if you had the notifications enabled at the time of receiving a message. Then, even if the sender does remove or unsend a message, the original notification should still remain. So that's how to go ahead and view unsent messages on Messenger on an Android device. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.